you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Kissing in the bathroom. Kissing in the bathroom, girl. I hope nobody catches,
but I kinda hope they catch us. Anyway, a New York 9's and everywhere else 6. Time-wise, the opposite goes for chicks. I'm in a taxi, texting with my best friend. He's sleeping with this girl that he met up on the West End. He's lucky, she's a career woman, no kids. Most girls see the clothes and try and go dig. Most hoes poke holes in Trojans. Most people don't fucking hit the lotto, but my folks did. I'm a mess. That don't rhyme with shit, it's just true. Don't bring your girlfriend here, it's just you. When I'm depressed, you're someone I run to, but I guess meet me at pianos. The crossfading off the nanos. On that hipster shit. And use a hipster, bitch. Yo, but not in a lame way. Like, you ain't living out in BK. Like, you ain't working on a screenplay. Like, your baby daddy ain't a DJ. Like, she listening to Old Freeway, cause everybody listens to Biggie. But she different, right? That's why your friends need wristbands. Fuck you. Can I have this dance?
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Kissing in the bathroom. Kissing in the bathroom, girl. I hope nobody catches,
but I kinda hope they catch us.
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Kissing in the bathroom. Kissing in the bathroom, girl. I hope nobody catches,
but I kinda hope they catch us. But listen, we can pretend if you want to, like we in love and started dating at your art school. Cause either way we both lying more than half of the time. Except for when I'm home working on your graphic design. Every time we see each other I'm taking you home. Our relationship has gotten Sylvester Stallone, yellow 911 Persian girl in the back car. But me writing a verse would be the only way they buy in a bar. White boys used to trip and send me over a gin, but they busy showing off each other Indian friends. She got ironic tattoos on her back. That ain't ironic, bitch, I love Rugrats. Watching lames handle they thing, they bang any broad with bangs in a band with an animal name. Hannibal Caine drinking the handle of Jameson. Anal and anyone is the plan for the evening. I'm kidding, stop. Girl crying on Ludlow. She still look good though. Love is Eastside. Who are you to hate? Movie ass, not a 10 but a super 8. You ain't see me at the show, I was super great. Hotel penthouse, gon' let it ruminate. City never sleeps, so I guess I'm never slept on. Did everything I could, then I kept going.
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Kissing in the bathroom. Kissing in the bathroom, girl. I hope nobody catches.
I hope nobody catches.
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters. Nobody else matters, girl. Kissing in the bathroom. Kissing in the bathroom, girl. I hope nobody catches,
but I kinda hope they catch us. Anyway.
Ooh, girl, I wanna know, are you ready to cry? Cause I'm no good, no good. Ooh, girl, I wanna try. I'm an awful guy, and I'm always away. And I'm trying to say, I'm a piece of shit. Believe in this, I'm telling you. Cause we barely knew what we had. I'm not that bad. The fun we had, oh.
Baby, you're the baddest. Baby, you're the baddest, girl. Nobody else matters.